Hey guys, welcome to another of our template drops, and today I'm going to be walking you through how to use the shipping template. So a little bit backstory of why we created or why I created the shipping template. And so I work with a lot of people and a lot of teams, and sometimes managing them and basically like getting them motivated and like energized to do work can be really tasking. So I wanted to see if it was possible to gamify the process in a way whereby if a team member completes a task, they get or they win a certain number of points. And in product management now we have what we call like story points, basically how heavy does that tax what. So instead of them just being story or just being points, I decided to turn them into like experience point that if you complete you get rewarded that point. So basically like you earn that point. And in this guide now, or on this template, I wanted to see whether it was possible to create something like this on Notion, because I checked a couple of platforms and most of them you could assign a point, but there was no like leaderboard to show okay how many points you did this week, and it was mostly during meetings that would talk about the points that each person got. So good news, I was able to create it out in Notion, and I'm going to be walking you through how to use the ship it template, as I like to call it, because we're about to ship a product. So on the left side of the template you have like introduction, time to ship, and quick actions like add a new task, a new player, or add a new project. On the right hand side you have like a dashboard overview where you can see the projects that have not been started, those in progress, those ready for review, those that have been completed, and those that have been archived. You can also see the project start for each project you're working on, and the leaderboard for all your teammates, and basically who is the highest on the leaderboard. At the moment is me. I have 26 points. So let's scroll down. So as we scroll down now, we have the tax board where users can see all, where the admin can see different tags, and each tax now contains the description, priority level, tax point, who it was assigned to, what project is it related to, when is the due date for this tax, and what was the tax status. And you can basically see the new tax, active tax, those that are waiting review. So basically it has been worked on but is waiting for review from you as the admin. And you can also see the history, basically all the tasks that have been done. If we scroll down, you have like each project start. So if you have like multiple projects or multiple features you're working on, you can use this to track the progress of each feature. At a quick glance now, you can see the completion bar. You can also see how many tasks are within this project. You can see the date it was created and the team members that are on each project. If you open it up, you also have like the details in a wider view, and you can see all the tasks that are associated with this particular project. Now let's scroll down. We also have the team stats where you can see the top teammates. Currently is me because I have like 26 over 26 points. And on the right hand side you can see each teammate, the tasks they've completed, projects they're working on, and their last seen. So basically when was the last time they did something. Now if you open up each person now, each person on their own view, they can see their position, their role, how many points they have earned, and projects they are working on. They also get like a leaderboard view where they can see where they are on the current leaderboard. They can see their tasks for the week, and they can see all the tasks they have, and shuffle within views from new tasks to in progress, needs fixing, pending, completed, and so on and so forth. Now if we go back to the home page or the admin page, you have like the resources where you can see the settings in case you want to edit any of the database settings, and this is where you come to, but be careful not to delete anything. And the activity history basically just shows you all your tasks like over a long period of time, so basically everything that you have done, and you can see the ones over a week, a month, a year, and so on and so forth. So that being said, there's also a help center here, so in case you get lost or you need to ask any questions, then this is where you're going to find information about everything. But overall, how this works is the admin gets access to this admin panel, then can onboard each and every person to their individual profile. So just add a new player, set up all details, attach them to their project, and once you start assigning tasks, they are going to see it on their end. So you add your employee, your teammate to their own page, while you handle the admin page, assigning the tasks, and then they can complete the tasks and basically rank up on the leaderboard. And maybe at the end of every month, at the end of every year, you can award the first person or the top teammate of the year. So that's what Shipit is in a glance, and I hope this template helps you out to ship more products and get more products done. If you have any questions, just drop a comment for us, and if you need something custom, reach out to us at tryouts.super.site and we'll hook you up with something nice. Anyways, like, subscribe, and show some love to the channel, and also get the template so you can start shipping products. That being said, I'll catch you later on the next one. Bye guys.